First we're gonna get this one off. Let's have a look. So, that one, and then two over here. Carefully for those tiny little acrylic washers. So, and again a washer. Up. Yes. Here we got them. Okay. So now we have to get this a bit out of the way. So there is a screw over here with again an acrylic washer. So there a screw, there a screw, everywhere screw. So on the other side the same thing. We have to get it just a bit out of the way. Pop. Then over here is one. I think I have it all off now. Oh yeah. See? Now you can just bend it a bit. In here is the air filter. Even look here. This is a bit too short. Gotta get a longer one. This is better. Okay. Hop. And this one. Let's have a look. This is the holder, and this is the air filter, and it needs to be renewed. Absolute. This is the filter I'm going to use. I always use high flow Filtro. It's a good brand. I did this the HFA of E 7915. Have a look. Ta-da! This holder thing, slide it over, minding those hooks, and then it's a bit wiggling, but wait, we do it different. First, place the air filter like this into the bike. Then we have this thing, a bit like this, hop, and a bit like that, nicely in place. Okay. Cap back on, job done. Here we got the plastic lid, cleaned it, inside, outside, carefully so. You know me, I am the grease guy. Put a little bit of grease onto it, so you can easy get it in and easy out. Okay, tighten, but not too tight. Enough is enough. This one fell off here. I have to glue it back on. Gonna put some glue onto it. See, got some glue onto it. That one is over there. Ah, there is a print, and it should be in like this. So now we're gonna put this one on top. There is some rubber. Put some little bit of grease so it slides in more easy. Don't have to hammer it or use brute force. I'm not into the brute force. Die komt daar netjes in. Yes. Op. It's raining outside. Here. It's raining. So. We're gonna mount his quick lock. Clock lock. First 4 bushings. Then hop, Allen. This one, yeah. Let's see, it's still open. Yep. Okay. This was my video about renewing the air filter of a BMW R1200GS water cooled. Was it difficult? No way. Can you do it? Absolute. With my video, the right tools and a new air filter, you can do it yourself. In a flash. Save you a lot of money. I hope you liked my video, and if you do, please subscribe at my channel. I really would appreciate that. Old Mechanic out.